So let's take a look at the compost yard here. We have some chunky organic stuff that's going to be the base of the next pile, old coconuts and stuff. And then this is the active pile, which has some vegetables and kind of covered up with some soil and some leaf matter. This pile here is the resting pile. And, you know, this is getting there. Still a little bit more to go, but this is looking really good. Right here, ready to go in the garden. And then, over here is the finished pile. And this stuff is looking beautiful. Still a little chunky, so we can throw those parts back into the still cooking pile. But this we've been putting in the garden, amending the vegetable beds as we plant new stuff or do some weeding and mulching. And then you can always find on the farms like little honey hole. This must have been an old mulch pile or something here. And this is some really rich soil. Like if we get rid of the mulch on the top, look at this kind of black gold type of stuff. So this will be great on the Hawaiian clay out here at the farm.